This pattern appears frequently in Google and Meta interviews. By the end of this video, you will understand how to find missing numbers efficiently without using any extra space. We are given an array of n integers where each value is between 1 and n. Our goal is to return a list of all integers from 1 to n that do not appear in the input. A naive approach might use a hash set to track seen numbers. However, this requires on extra space, which violates the problem's strict memory constraint. Notice that the values are in the range 1 to n, and the array indices are 0 to n minus 1. This perfect mapping allows us to use the array itself as a checklist. We can iterate through the array and mark the presence of a number x by modifying the value at index x minus 1. Specifically, we will flip the sign to negative. If we see a value x, we go to index x minus 1. If the value there is positive, we multiply it by negative 1. If it is already negative, we leave it alone. Since we modify the array in place, we must always look at the absolute value of the current element to find the correct index to mark. Let us run this on the example. We start at index 0. The value is 4. We map this to index 3. The value at index 3 is 7. We negate it to negative 7. Move to index 1. The value is 3. We map this to index 2. The value at index 2 is 2. We negate it to negative 2. Move to index 2. The value is negative 2. We take the absolute value, which is 2. This maps to index 1. The value at index 1 is 3. We negate it to negative 3. Move to index 3. The value is negative 7. Absolute value is 7. Map to index 6. The value at index 6 is 3. We negate it to negative 3. Move to index 4. The value is 8. Map to index 7. The value at index 7 is 1. We negate it to negative 1. Move to index 5. The value is 2. Map to index 1. The value at index 1 is negative 3. It is already negative, so we do nothing. Move to index 6. The value is negative 3. Absolute value is 3. Map to index 2. The value at index 2 is negative 2. It is already negative. Move to index 7. The value is negative 1. Absolute value is 1. Map to index 0. The value at index 0 is 4. We negate it to negative 4. Now we scan the array to find positive values. At index 4, the value is 8, which is positive. This means index 4, representing number 5, was never marked. At index 5, the value is 2, which is positive. This means index 5, representing number 6, was never marked. All other values are negative. We return the missing numbers 5 and 6. The algorithm is complete. This approach runs in O of n time because we iterate through the array twice. It uses O of 1 extra space as we modify the input in place. We recognize this pattern when input values are within the range of the array's length. Similar problems include find all duplicates in an array and first missing positive.